Hi, Dennis Ray here. The ad blocker uBlock Origin uses very little system resources and works with Firefox and Chrome-based browsers. Ads, trackers, coin miners, pop-ups, obtrusive anti-blockers, malicious websites, and more are blocked by it. Ad blocker use is not theft, so be aware of that. You can maintain your right to privacy by using uBlock Origin. Its main objective is to assist users in preventing privacy-invading techniques from potentially entering your browser when you browse websites. But I want to emphasize that you should disable ad blockers when watching YouTube videos, primarily because content creators like me get paid when you watch videos with ads. It's not easy making videos, so those who do so ought to be compensated for producing educational and enjoyable content for you. uBlock Origin is an extension or an add-on for your browser. This is where to get uBlock Origin. At the Chrome store, you can add it to Opera, Edge, Chrome, or any Chromium-based browser. But if you're using Firefox, you can get it at this website. And there's information below that you can take a look at. And just hit this to download it and add it to Firefox. Or there's another source, that would be majorgeeks.com. And down below, there is information that you can read about uBlock Origin. This is very informative. And then there are links that you can use to download it, either for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Opera. And I'll put links for all these in the description of this video. After uBlock Origin is added, you can click on the toolbar on the icon. And if you don't see the icon, you can go to the extensions block, hit that, and click on the icon in there. That will open up the main window, where you can see how many ads it's blocked and other statistics. And if you want to see more information and more icons that you can use, you can hit more. And we can go back to less. uBlock Origin can be very easy to use with its default settings. And it does an excellent job with its default filters and settings. You can hit the main button to turn ad blocking off at the site you're on or back on. But you also have all kinds of ways to make it work the way you want it to too. So if we hit more, we got some more icons that we can use. The first one is the Element Zapper mode, which allows you to quickly remove the nuisance visual element without having to populate your filter set for this one single visit. Next is Element Picker mode, which can permanently remove elements on a web page by using it to create a network or cosmetic filter. And there is to report an issue or open the logger, and we'll take a look at that in just a minute. And then to open the rest of the settings. This is what the logger looks like, and what it is, it's a tool of choice to see, understand, diagnose, and fix the functioning of uBlock Origin. And there are various things that you can use there for that. Settings. Yeah. Now if we hit more again, we'll get some more icons that we can work with. First one is to block all pop-ups on this site, block large media elements on this site, disable cosmetic filtering on this site, block remote fonts on this site, and disable JavaScript on this site. Interesting. Now if we go back down to here, we can hit this. This will open up the dashboard to more settings. We come from the land of the ice and snow, with the midnight sun and hot springs flow. Are we on? Oh, okay. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Okay? Thank you. Are we still on? Okay. Thanks. You'll take care of this in editing, right? Cool. What a whole lot of love. What a whole lot of love. The dashboard looks like this, where you can go crazy nuts making a lot of changes to make uBlock Origin work like you want. There are these tabs on top for your perusing pleasure. I'll show you each tab, but not all the different settings and changes you can make, because this video would be way too long. But you can find all the information you want for everything in the dashboard, online, and in YouTube videos. The first tab is for settings, and we'll take a closer look at these. The first settings look like your standard settings. And we go down, there's privacy settings and appearance settings, default behavior, advanced settings, and then there are these useful bars too. Now, if you want to find out anything more about a setting, you can hit the information icon and it will take you to a page like this. And this is really nice. It explains exactly what the setting does and what it will do for you. The filter list tab, and we'll check this out too. And you can just take a look at those settings that you can maneuver. You can do what you want it to do. And they have a long list of languages. Import, you can use to import filter lists from the web. In the My Filters tab, you can actually create your own filters. There's the My Rules tab, and in this you can have a list of your dynamic filtering rules, permanent rules and temporary rules. And as I mentioned before, you can find plenty of information on the web and YouTube videos that explain filters and filter rules. The Trusted Sites tab, and on this, the Trusted Site directives dictate on which web pages uBlock Origin should be disabled. One entry per line, and don't you forget it. The Support tab, and in this we have documentation, questions and support, and also if you want to get information about any of these subjects, you can just hit the bar to the right of each one. Filter issues, website is broken, bug report, and troubleshooting information. The About tab, and in this we'll show you the version and then all kinds of information below that can be useful. That was uBlock Origin, a great ad blocker. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Bye.